Let's use Visual Paradigm Chatbot to generate organization chart. We try to generate organization chart for a Formula One team. Set the focus on the technical side. So far looks good, but it seems missed the most major part, the car development division. Let's ask Chatbot to add it to the diagram. Now the car development division is being included. It also added extra detail subdivision for us. But it still missed a major subdivision, the powertrain. Let's ask Chatbot to add it. Now the powertrain subdivision is added. Now the diagram is completed. We can press the Import to Visual Paradigm button to import this diagram to our Visual Paradigm project. Here is the imported diagram, and we can perform further editing on it. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.